I hope guys you can walk with me tonight once again to see the beautiful Circular Quay area between Circular Quay train station, and then we go to the side of Opera House and then come back, and then I'll take you to the other side of the Harbour Bridge. It's very safe to walk along here. What you see is just people relaxing and of course having to dine and just enjoy a night talk. Great nights don't have to end when dinner is over, but definitely you want to find something to do that's a bit more delightful than just sitting down. So I thought after having my dinner and my friend leaving because he had to go back to his workstation, and I had to be left around just to walk around and see what happens here at night. Definitely you have a lot of things to see when you come to this area. You can stay as long as you want. It's very safe. People are very busy taking some photos, taking videos. We have content creators everywhere, people having a beautiful night out. It's always nice, especially if you have like some few off days and you're within Sydney. It's just places to relax and feel the breeze of the ocean. I love that. So whenever I have my off days or when I have a week off, I drive all the way to Sydney here, and then I don't like just sitting down and say I'm going to relax in the house, but I like coming down just to walk around, dine here. Though it's very expensive to have actually dinner or buying a drink. Even water is not very cheap when it comes to this area, though sometimes it may be friendly or pocket friendly to you, but for some it might be damn expensive. So when I was here, a ferry arrived from Manly. You can see how beautiful it is. I still have another video showcasing Opera House at night with the Sydney skyline, beautiful at night. So I might upload that in the next video if you like to watch that. I normally don't ask people to subscribe or to do anything, but if you want to, you'll be able to be notified when I put another video. Just you're free to do so. Having my YouTube channel is not just documenting wherever I go, and I find it good to share with the friends. Look at the skyline, it's so beautiful to look at. I'll just try to capture some of the ferries which have arrived here in different wharf. I'm walking towards wharf 3 and then to 1. On my right we have the train station, that is Circular Quay, and then to my left is where you have the wharf. So if you want to use the ferries to different destinations, you use those wharfs. I might have said this in another video, but it is not wrong just to repeat once again for you. When you look at the pillars on my right, we have the train passes on top there, so we might capture one passing through because I can hear there is one which is arriving in Circular Quay. It might be very noisy, but I hope you'll bear with me because it's a night and I don't want to remove the sound because it loses the taste of having that nightly feel, and I guess is very nice to keep trying to you leave the normal night to flow, so it's beautiful to walk around. If you have made it to this end, you have already watched nearly 5 minutes, just go down and like that video, just like it. Oh, the train is there, look at that. That is beautiful view of the train. Sydney trains are double deck, so you can see how beautiful it is passing around there. Very nice. Always nice to be free to walk around. These are places where you'll not be every time, but if you are a tourist, definitely you'll capture some of the videos. I was able to see many people documenting videos and taking photos. Others, after their wedding, they would like to come even at night and take more photos. It's really, really nice. I've been in Sydney. I've been here for the last few days because I'm having my few days off after Christmas and New Year celebrations. I thought of, let me get a break, and then I thought of coming to Sydney. So I'll get more videos and try to upload them for you guys and see. Look at those views. You can see the Sydney Harbour Bridge right away ahead. I'll capture more closer videos for you to see. What you can see are many open air restaurants, people sitting down, people having meals, others leaving, going home, others coming. The transport system, and especially the public transport system, is very smooth. So it doesn't matter what time you want to leave. So anytime you're ready, go to the station and the train will be able to arrive in few minutes. So I will just go around, take more clips and more views, and then probably I'll catch my train and go home. It's nearly 9 p.m. now. It's getting late, but you can stay here for as long as you want. What other area do you want me to capture? In the next few months, I'll be able to come down from my workstation and I'll be able to get more videos. If you really love, any other thing you'd like me to capture, I will do so. I have already captured the public means of transport. So if you want to check that on my other videos, you'll be able to see beautiful trains and that I captured during the day, so you are able to see most of that. Look at those views at night, just relaxing. That is another capture for the Sydney Harbour Bridge. If you come here during New Year Eve, this place is totally covered with people. Beautiful views with the fireworks. So Sydney is always one of the best in the world in terms of New Year Eve. People fly to come here. People board planes to come to Sydney just to experience and capture those kind of beautiful views here, especially the fireworks. That is Sydney Opera House. Look at the seals, the way they look like. It's very beautiful when they want to showcase the different colors. It looks stunning, really nice. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.